Well, hello, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is actually a what's new in the Primark beauty range. Primark is really up in their game, and to be fair, the beauty range is really impressing me, and you wouldn't expect it from Primark. So I went into my local Primark, I purchased what is new in all of their beauty range, and I'm going to show it to you guys now. So let's get into the video. Okay, so unless you've been living under a rock, we all know that Primark is duping a lot of high-end brand makeup. Their latest dupes have to be the dupes of the Kim Kardashian nude range. So the first thing I'm going to start with is the Nude Body Shimmer Dust. And I'm really excited about this because just lately I have got into kind of putting shimmer and highlighter on my body because I like to have a shimmery body. I mean, who doesn't? First of all, the packaging. I mean, this is Kim Kardashian packaging. It has to be. But I really like it. It feels so nice. It feels so good for Primark. And this was only £4, which is so cheap, guys. Come on. So opening it up, I can see it comes with like a little mini body buffer. I must say, actually looking at it, it's very thin. Like, there's not much product there if you really think about actually how thin it is. Not that big. But for £4, I can't really complain. So I'm going to put a load, don't know if the camera's picking that up, it's really dusty. So, ooh, I put a load on this buffer, and let's start buffing my shoulder, because who doesn't like a buffy shoulder? Do you know what, that's already making a difference. I can really see that. That is giving me all sorts of summer sweaty Betty. Yes! There is a real difference between shoulders now. See, normally what I do is just get a normal highlighter and just kind of shimmer it over my shoulders. I've never actually thought to try something like this, but actually straight away I am really impressed. Cannot undermine shimmer on the body. It's actually a really good look, especially in the summer when you don't really want to look matte. You want to look shimmery, you want to look like you've got a bit of a sweat on, the sun's out. The packaging I love. I love how it's come out. It's not like I had to use a lot of the product, and it looks really nice, I think. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. But this, so far, out of 5, I'm gonna give it a 4.5. Yeah, let's rate our products as we go along. So out of 5, I'm giving that a 4.5. Yes, I love that. So, I mean, as if I haven't got enough palettes in my life. Oh, so this is the nude palette. The packaging I like, it looks nice. It looks nice on the eye. The colours look beautiful. Let's take this plastic thing off so you angels can see it a bit more. Okay, so here are the colours. They're all matte. I will probably use all of them. I really like nudie colours. I also like pinks and purples at the moment. They are a nice colour to have in a shadow palette. From experience, Primark palettes are really good. The only thing is they don't last. They're not like lasting products. So if you wear it from first thing in the morning, by the end of the day they do look really worn. I really like these colours. I especially like this one here. I just love a nude eye. So let's test this like berry pink colour here. So it feels nice. I mean, it hasn't come out too pigmented on my finger. Not as pigmented as I think. Do you know what? It looks really nice. That looks really nice on my hand. Obviously on my eye it will blend a lot better if I have eyeshadow base as well. I don't know if I mentioned this was only £4, which is amazing. For under £5 you can get a really nice eyeshadow palette. So out of 5 I will probably rate this a 4. What are your ratings? Let me know. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, out of everything I purchased in the new beauty range, I was most thrilled about this. This is an Urban Decay palette without the Urban Decay brand. It literally is identical to an Urban Decay palette that has recently come out. Look at these colours. They are unreal. They're so vivid and the packaging is stunning. I'm so impressed this was only £4. Let's do a swatch test and see how they come up. I mean, I'm tempted to swatch this very vivid blue. It is such a gorgeous colour. So I'm just gonna run my finger from top to bottom. To be fair, look, it's come out really, really strong on camera. So it's not as pigmented as you would think. It takes some layering, but that looks stunning. I'm really excited to test out these colours, what they look like. I might do a couple of looks over on Instagram Live or something. I know you guys enjoy things like that. This is beautiful. I'm so impressed. Honestly, I'm so glad I checked out the new ranges in Primark. But yeah, that's a winner chicken dinner for me. So I noticed in the Primark beauty range, they are doing these new strobe lighting creams. And I'm so excited to try these. Highlighter game in most beauty brands are really picking up because everyone is after the perfect highlighting cream. They are strobe creams for face and body, so what I might do is test it out on my chest or my collarbone or something like that. Let's start with this. So this is the strobe cream, which is like the oyster pink colour. This is how it looks on my finger. It's quite a bright highlighter. If I just put it on my collarbone and blend in, okay, can you see that? That has made a really nice difference. I mean, I have obviously put the body shimmer all over anyway. Also, what you can do with these things is mix a little bit in with your everyday foundation, and then as it goes on your face, you have a really nice shimmery, glowy look. So that's probably what I'm going to use these for. It's kind of dipping a little bit in my normal foundation look. It's also a decent size product and there's a lot in there, I can feel it. These two strobing creams were only £3 each. Probably gonna give them a 4 out of 5. Okay, I'm so intrigued about this next product. So I was looking in the nude ranges in the Primark's beauty section, and I found this lip, this nude lip, and it says sponge applicator. What is a sponge applicator? Okay, so I'm really confused about this. I don't know if you can see on camera, but it has the lip applicator here at the top, and it also has a little sponge at the bottom, and I don't know if you're meant to kind of put it on your lips and then... I've taken off my current lip product because I feel like that would be easier, and I'm guessing I'm going to spread it like this and then even it out with a sponge. Okay, this is horrendous. Apart from making my lips look kind of shiny, the sponge seems to be taking all of the product off, like it's taking it back off, rather than being an applicator. So I'm not really sure about this. This was only £2 and I'm probably gonna give it a 1 out of 5. I'm really not sure on that. So also in the Primark nude selection, I found this, which is a matte eye collection, and it's an eye kit. So inside this product alone, you have a matte eye cream, eyeliner pencil and a precision applicator. I got mine in the colour Girl Code because I really like the matte pink look. The packaging looks really nice. The brush is one of these little sculpted brushes. The brush feels really nice. It's like a matte finish, feels really nice. Ooh. So if I just stick the pencil inside, the colour looks beautiful. Whether it oh, that feels so nice. I really like that colour. It doesn't come out too much on camera. It's quite a subtle pink colour, but I think it is really nice looking. I'm looking forward to testing this. I probably will add some other eyeshadow to it to make it a bit shimmery, because when it's too matte, it gives that heavy, dense look, especially in the summer. You want to be looking shimmery and nice. I think the packaging is gorgeous. The product has come up nicely. I'm just going to draw a line with the pen. Okay, so that's not great. The pencil just broke. But if I just swatch it on my hand, you can see it's quite a nice colour. This was actually only £3, which is so affordable. So out of 5, I'm probably going to rate this product a 3.5. It has really nice packaging. The colour seems really nice. The cream seems to come out a lot nicer. The pencil just broke as soon as I touched my hand, so that's not great. And I like the little brush. One of my favourite things to top up in Primark is definitely their applicators, their brushes, their sponges. They're so affordable, and honestly, they're really good products. And I saw this unicorn horn sponge applicator, and hello, I could not resist. How adorable is that? Totally. Also, I think what I love about this unicorn brush is the fact that it does have the unicorn point at the top, which I think will be perfect for getting those concealer creases that annoy all of us girls who wear concealer. For £1.50, I really don't think you can go wrong. One of the things I always stock up in the Primark beauty section is their face masks, and their face masks are really cute. They always have tons of different ones. At Christmas, they have Christmas themed ones. I purchased these two. This one is Are You Kitten Me? It's a sheet mask and it has a kitten face on the front, and this sheet mask has unicorn whales on the front, and that is just really cute. Really like that. So each face mask is only £3 and they actually make you feel really good after you've used them. So whenever I'm just chilling out on a Sunday afternoon, I love to put one of these on my face and scare anyone who sees me. So Primark Beauty is really impressing me at the moment. I absolutely love it. I really do recommend you trying out some of their products. My favourite thing in the Primark Beauty section is always the palettes. I think the palettes are amazing. They're always so cheap. Every single palette I bought today was under £5. I'm not just saying it, the video is not sponsored. I really rate Primark Beauty. My favourite item out of everything I purchased has to be the Urban palette. I think it is absolutely drop dead gorgeous and I really can't wait to like create some beautiful vivid eye looks with that. What was your favourite item? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you very much for watching. If you are new here, make sure you are subscribed down below and I shall see you again next time.